Oh, fuck it. Jetzt, Wahnsinn, er läuft schon wieder. Frühstücksmusik. Oh, wie Teufel. Snot soup. Oh, yesterday I ate actually 2 pieces, right? And these kind of 2 pieces was too much because I get a whole onion on them. And I don't know. That was for 13 hours or something. Oh, disgusting.
Your wishes, please.
Since actually an hour I'm sitting here and the ventilation system is blowing actually in my face all the time. It's freezing. Sometimes sun comes out and saying, alright,
let's get ready.
Alright. But it's striking actually more and more and saying, we better should actually wait an hour. I totally forgot actually that I was in the compound yesterday at 9 o'clock at night. After that 2 point, what was it? Oh my god, I need to post that. Jeez. I was actually so much into the Mick Schumacher and that, you know, stuff. But I didn't kind of actually find these race that was on the 25th and 26th on the WEC. And so then I watched actually some cinematic a bit here around informations and Monty Python. And then actually the mouth breath just take me awake again and I saw my screen ready actually for live streaming. Oops. Wie heißt das nochmal? Grift. Sehr schön, schreibe ich weiß jetzt nicht mehr, wie heißt das jetzt nochmal? West Coast oder Los Angeles oder LA, irgendwie. I can't remember. West Arena or something. Or whatever. Pum 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 pum. 19k of XP, 19k of XP, right? So we have anyway a problem to find actually the game's name, right? So that pisses me off. But I'm trying again, you know, setting actually die Messlatte. Aber doesn't matter anyway. It's not coming back. The name CarX Drift Racing Online. Is it so hard from 2017? Actually, 2012 or 14, I think. But actually on the PlayStation 2017, it is there. Oh, I totally forgot actually something to watch, and it is. You don't know? Can we come back? Because yesterday's upload of Nobody Saves the World stuff. Thought so. There's something missing. Good.
Ja. So ist das.
That's better. Let's go, goddammit. What's wrong? 49 minutes, 90k, new record. But that was not actually these 43 minutes or 9 minutes. That was more than 2 hours I was driving that. I don't know how he came on that. I think 43 minutes was actually only when you enter a race, you know. The rest was actually driving around on that West Coast arena, I think, or area. I don't know. Hold on. Bring it in. Let's see again. CarX. Hello all. Trippin'.
Hello all.
No. Now it calls CarX Highway Racing 2017. we have CarX Rally, we have Drift Racing, we have Drift Racing 2 2018, and CarX Street from 2 years ago, and we have CarX Drift Racing from 2014, but no CarX Drift Racing Online. And so the stream here is over. Yeah, good night. Have a nice time, and I don't know what I have to do. I already know I'm just playing a game, right? But everybody else knows I'm playing CarX, but somebody just saying, hey, what's going on? What kind of a game you playing, again? 80s crack. Blowjob guy by Meg. You wanna see that again? Man, I saw that yesterday. I was so laughing. No. Oh, by the way, oh my gosh, hold on. I just did something on that video yesterday as well. So there are a lot of things I have to deal done actually before we started up here. So that is don't mention. Oh, schreib mal Menschen. Ich habe es gestern schon versucht zu schreiben. Menschen. Mansions. Schreibe ich jetzt einfach so, wie man schreiben könnte. Mensch. No, I can't schreibe this. This is not my English German. Ne? Geht gar nicht. Enjoy. And I'm enjoying
What happened
as well,
here? LOL.
because
URL.
I sent music in there. Let's just see. Possible to hear out. No? It's still ongoing? No music? I just was sent music in there. It's still not done? Dude. No. What is that? To rank up, right? To rank up, there's something to do all the time. Not just I was researching actually that stupid tequila heads. What the hell? Still not actually. Let's see. Yesterday I did it actually that video. That's just 5.5 hours, right? And I just bring actually a music with it in, you know, have more fun with it to see. Let's see, theater. Okay, nothing. Why is it? What the hell happened? Let's see. There's no music in there. Are you fucking kidding me? What happened? Maybe it's just get it away because they know what's going on in here. Hey, that's not cool, man. It's seriously fucked up. Why did it just... Okay, let's see. Let's just see. There we go. Go. And there we go. What was it? That was the first one. I did that yesterday and it saves that. And I know it. And somehow, I don't know, YouTube was saying that is not okay you're doing here though. I don't know. Closer. So ist das 36, 26 oder 37, 26? Ja, das sehe ich jetzt gerade nicht. $36, $26 war das, ne? Jetzt blasen wir mal zum Marsch. go. No, get over here. Get over here! So, done again. Good. Saving. Einige Stunden dauern. Ja, ja, das hast du gestern auch gemacht und irgendwie ist das nichts draus geworden. Because, alright, I just did that. I just get it actually in my information already. Video wird verarbeitet, suchen Sie später noch einmal wieder. Then, in the details, there's already that information in. Exactly, here we go. No problem. No problematics. Done. Can I go? Yes, good. So, it's working on, right? So 10 minutes gone. Already send you something, but that is not working somehow, and that's a bit unfair. So the last thing I have to watch, and then I can reach out. It is from that Nobody Saves the World stuff. Still uploaded or not? Okay, it is. But the other one was deleted. Why? And there was already one download. Why is the other one not actually fucking cracking? That's weird. Schießt sich mal selber ab. Ah, I'm thirsty. Boah. Das Bier gestern noch geschüttelt oder was? So viel Teufel, Alter. Das wieder. Geh weg! Du blöde Sau. Ohne Scheiß, das regt mir gar nicht auf bei YouTube. Du markierst was und dann markiert er alles. Ah, perfect. Like from yesterday. It was the same. Amazing. Perfect. Again, 100. I didn't do so. I just wrote it down. So down below, actually, in the PlayStation, that is here, I added actually something in. That's again these Nobody Saves the World direction. What's the real game save it is, because I used to be actually getting out actually 2 other saves and they are nothing work actually. They're working, but there's not a new game plus, there's not the intense and power what I can actually use to get for. So this is actually the real save I just uploaded. Actually asked for Sean that he's deleting me the other 2-1, but he didn't read my message right now or something. This is Paul, but okay, may he's today or tomorrow actually seeing that and deleting it. It's Monday, right? It's just Monday here. So enjoy it. If you have the game Nobody Saves the World, enjoy it. There's a game save. You're starting up with the new game plus. My whole description is in there. Sorry for my English, maybe. Writing down. That's why I was trying to say actually the mention stuff. Been to mention actually to do something or something that's crack, you know, but I can't read it out. I can't, you know, write it out. I mean. And I don't know what else. Alright, here we go again. 15 minutes away. Uploaded a video, uploaded actually a picture, and it's all done here all the times. But that beer, seriously, I need to get it away. It has no bubbles anymore. I mean, it has a bit, but it's not the kind of beer I'm actually drinking for. There's another one. Beer's growing on the side in here. Ah. Let's see. I think I need a jacket. Why is it cold today? Okay, outside it's 2 degrees or 3 degrees right now. And I saw a cabriolet actually driving around. A yellow one. I thought, what the hell? Jacket? No, you know, goggle or something for protection. And I asked then to myself, how cold can it be, right? And so I say, 4 or 5 degrees. Watching the weather, and 2 degrees? Oh my goodness. I'm not even so hardcore, you know, to deal with. This guy. It looks actually, but the wind is actually a little bit chilling or something. But here it is actually a ventilation system that chills with me too much. Yesterday was wonderful. There was just kind of these 15 minutes, these are kind of 3 hours or something I drove actually this game. It was fantastic. Fun. Thought actually I was by 5 hours or something. But then I asked myself, when I just take the package actually over to the compound? I'm actually watching if it needs actually very fast to fill up with some the woodcut facility, but in 3 hours? In 3 hours I have I'm going offline here anyway, because I'm going to the compound. We're filling then the woodcut facility. Oh, what the hell? I couldn't sleep over the night, and now I know. That was my mouth breath of onion juice. What the hell? There was just one onion. I think I just cut it a big one together and on the 2 pieces, and just getting actually some sausage as well on that, you know, chicken sausage. Then somehow I just taken it into the oven, and I was going over the compound watching and getting my package away. And 2 hours before or 3 hours before, I just asked actually the right hand from the boss and what's going on. He's actually in the dentist studio right now. Oh man. And so he was saying, okay, this week is gonna be not really going on something. But he's calling me then. Call the other one and just saying actually at 13 o'clock if you want to go to the compound, I'll maybe then there. So kind of 13 o'clock and I'm just going over there. And you have the whole week free. Okay, go whenever you want. With the fire toys.
Oh, crack. Why they're so hiding?
What kind of car do you want to drive? Didn't decide it yet.
It looks amazing.
Problem is, it's not good drifting. It's because the 110 looks like a 110. Yeah, it is. And these 110 have problems actually on the West Coast arena or something, or area. Area or arena? No, we will watch later. It's always the same. Yes, das mal wieder. Jetzt rumort sich schon wieder was im Magen zusammen. Scheiße. I have a feeling, yeah. Nice Snake-unge in Hosen. Ow! More like... Whee! Whee! Don't know about the P31, is it a good car or just jingling? Let's just... It's kind of phony or something, you know? Phony. I have not even my earplugs in. Sometimes it's better, like, I'm prepared actually for everything, but this one, it's reconnected crack. 49, okay, 20, 28, 25, 58. I think it's not so bad, that vehicle. Ugh. 18k. Oh, that was close. Okay. Let's see Atron. Let's see what's going on here. Before I go online, I need to go to the toilet and get the diarrhea off. It's just the onion smell out of my breath is away, but there's something else called liquids, you know. I couldn't actually bring that on to end these diarrheas or something, you know. Oh, it takes then a while because the last time I was going, it was so burning and so, oh my gosh, they're coming more and more. Sorry for that. I hate that. That's Mondays. Weird, I don't feel blowed up or something like normally. It will come, definitely. I ask myself what was holding here. Is it a dress or is it actually some Stor oder was oder Vorhang oder wie? In flagranti. Let's keep it moving. Look at that camera over here, goddammit. That was close actually. On 19111. That is so fine ass looking. Music in the morning. My armpits sweating already because I'm so excited. Will the beat comes to the arena with us today for 2 hours? why is the shark on the other side actually showing in the back, right? And there's to the driver. It has something. Okay, I had to say that. It's kind of the other side. It's like protecting the back and the other side of the front, but it looks weird. What just happened, bro? Yes, it has something, but it's a little bit stiff. But the feet already wants to turn on 180. I'm not sure. What? Amateur. Amateur. Oh, it's super freezing. It's not even a ventilation system. Why is it so stiff? Here it's on 7, 77 is actually can't get so stiff. Oh. Why is it? Even street tires. Phew, I don't know. 866 horses. $866 horses. Why not 888? What happened there? What was the deal? Let's try to do. Close. Better. Too much. Well, looks better. It's just the signing. Nothing had to do with, okay, the Newton meters, but nothing had to do to handle about these 60 miles to go up in kind of 4.2 seconds. Okay, yeah, it's a slow poke somehow. God damn it! So it's a close. Backwards, forwards. Let's try again. Here we go again. Oh my god, here we go. Luck you have to be having sometimes with 88 as well. That may be that, but is it maybe this part that makes it so fucked up? What happened? Nothing. Okay. Let's do it on 77. Yeah, no. All that certain stuff. Wow. 221 miles per... I don't think so. That eyes. And be careful. Makes no sense, right? Oh, what has it? A 4.6 then, instead of 4.3. And lesser RPM. 650 Newton, 1000 Newton, 866. Why has it 866 again? I have an 888. What happened? Here we go, an 888 again. Ah, that is just a stock engine then. Where are the lights anyway? Huh? You see the front lights, right? It's not connected with the chassis somehow. It's just by itself. What happened? Weird. Alright. Let's get ready to get online. Oh, it's so cold. Yeah, I'm going to the toilet and just see what's going on over there. So I'll send a contamination service, please, already to my house, to my apartment, better say, to that apartment where I'm living. Here we go. the price of my life just gone more and more downhill, you know. My house, my apartment, that apartment where I'm living, that room where I'm living in the apartment that is not even mine, and actually I'm not living in the apartment, the shit house is outside the house. My god, I'm going to neighbor all the times for shitting. The verb sinks and sinks. Hell, ich hatte hier keine Zauberlicht. Oh mein Gott. Von lauter Geschmatze. Oh, ja, das war's eigentlich schon. So right, yesterday I just was making the pizza and just was going to the compound, and somehow the pizza was done. I just shoveled it off the oven. I was going to shower. I don't know why I was going to shower. And so today in the morning I was at the shower again, and so there was something coming up. Why is the key on the door? And where's the package from the couch? How long you was streaming yesterday? And then I thought maybe 1 o'clock? 11 o'clock? Hold on, I just called actually some construction worker, and then he say actually I waked up the kids. I say, what? It's 19 o'clock and 56 or something, and then I came on the idea that I was already 1 hour in the stream, and then I was saying, was it 5 hours or was it 3 hours of stream? And I was under the shower. I couldn't watch something, and I was a little bit going crazy now. So come on, remember, brain. Didn't drink very well yesterday, so when I'm drinking hard, then I know I forget things. So I'm not drunk. I'm not shaking. Everything's good. I was actually going only to the shower because my fingernails, and it takes a little while actually to cutting fingernails by myself. I can't do it actually on. They need to get actually, what was it calling? Softer to cut, you know. And so that's why that was the decision actually to go to the shower. Man, it's seriously freezing cold somehow. And then I came on the idea then, I watched the cell phone when I was get called and calling. And in the end, oh my god, it was not even 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock he was actually making the pizza, going to the compound and shower. So it was 10 o'clock he was going to bed. Because actually in the morning time at 1:30, somehow 2 o'clock or something in the morning I was wake up again. Just my eyes, because the neighborhood, you know, the dude was coming back from BMW or something. Or was actually going to the BMW. And I couldn't sleep then until 5 o'clock in the morning. And then I was going to sleep again. So it's kind of 4 or 5 hours I was only sleeping. Yay! They're there again. Maybe that's why it's too cold. That's why they don't work. The garden bowers. This is some other company. Cigarette smell. Okay, what we have in here? That full list with 100% or just nothing. Formula drift. Forget about it. Okay, West Coast had nothing to give us something today. What's the sign on there? Down below, hold on. Just did that by accident yesterday? Oh. Was that done? Good question. I don't know. Never watched these actually. Okay. I hate that one. To not crash each other. So that is a little boring. Only drifting. There's everything in there. These 100%. Okay, my car has 100% tire work. Alright, let's go in then. See, information I normally don't know when I just change car and say, alright, let's go actually to, you know, to that online mode. Man, so lame without music. Gabba Mag is actually busy here. Watching the floor. Actually, not watch the floor. He's watching the TV. That is so weird looking sometimes with the camera. The camera is looking actually in his garage, but somehow the camera is not watching. That is so fucked up. Only 3 players. Alright. What is your problem, mate? Coming in and you're just pissing me off already. Okay, you bastard. And he's going and going. 420, okay, that's why. So he's American. Is that the Latin about this? 153? That's weird. Sending me actually to music right now, and then we drifting a bit. Go on, go on, go on. So, is not actually connecting. Move it along, what a fuck. Oh, come on. Move up. Move up. Move up. Oh. See what is going on for? A race. Just up campaign of Struggle Series, so let's go to the next stream. 40 minutes of the live stream.
This car needs a lot of training.
You know, the problem is when I ride him, he's losing all his gained multiplayer points. Multiplication points, I mean.
Onion bulbs.
It's a little bit too much though. Pilgrim! Oh, we won something! What's that, 2,500 kilometers, genau. Pilgrim, yay! Alright. Another 1,500 to get the 4,000 kilometers. Ah. What's wrong with the signal, goddammit? Is that the right fire try?
Evil car.
Just 2 laps. den kan du låne. If it was. Dude. Don't tell me 2 laps was just a 40k? 2 laps just gave me 40k? No way. Oh my god. Okay, that was weird. And we already got done 10k on XP. Yeah, that tells me. He was by 398 or something we started on up. And I tried actually one single player race by, what was it, twice? Yeah, then 700 XP. Then it was 99. So 10k already are reached by wow, that car makes a lot of XPs. Tschüss auf der feine Straße, Salut, Salut, Scott, Prost, die Edition XP. Snorkel maybe. Enjoy. More like put tequila, put sake, something. Okay. What happened? You don't want to play against me? He wins anyway. Not a good car. Makes a lot of speed. I am so sad. Electric car. I'm not moving very fast. Was on The Simpsons, right? I loved it. I was laughing my ass so much off. That voice. And like Boomer and Bart actually watching to the car then. I'm an electric car. I'm not moving very fast. He's cracking the clipping A. Oh, I'm alone. I'm alone. Okay, he left me. Now I'm a lonely boy here. You should change something here. He brings another car, so I'll wait a little while. Ah, not 2 persons. See a second person here. Scheiße, reicht jetzt schon wieder von der Haustür. more points actually like the B. That's weird. Fuckers! There's no C ride. BMW has diarrhea as well. Diary. The diarrhea. The diary for the diarrhea. Oh god. Move it on. He's not coming back, right? Nope. I am so thirsty. Give me some beer. What about tequila? Tequila! Nope, 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 nope. Too much. Oh, crack. Oh, the hell with that? Oh my god. Oh, come on. What the hell? Red. Alright, I'm out. He's not coming back. Do the sloppy one first before I'm leaving. Tequila! Oh yeah! Oh, we're just knockers going. I have a lot more traffic back. First a cigarette. I have now more than kind of 15 heads of the tequila. So since actually last year, July, I actually started up to collect them. So can every month 2 tequila bottles. Change the vehicle. It's too sloppy for that. Alright. Already got the domo. I say it was an 18-minute ride. Yesterday I was like 43 minutes to get 19k. That's sometimes weird. I think how more players are in there, how more points you earn when you have to them. Weird. I did see that was actually 2.5 lesser than yesterday. So we will get 9k then with that vehicle on 33 minutes. 8k somehow. Another vehicle then. We gained a lot in here. Large bar. 211. Bimmy. What was the other one? Was that Bimmy P24 or was that the car I won? Hold on. No, it was P24. I thought it was a bit obscure. added the repo. Didn't actually build it up already. On my other account on DjVolgin, I built it up. Keep that on. Be right back. Oh, a 3.35. Need to go to the toilet. Ah, that diary crack. Ah. Microphone on. Microphone on. 10 times I had to draw some to reaching actually these 3.8k on XP I just did. So let's watch the time. 1050. Okay. 1050 to reach 3k. Say 4k. Let's get the crack, man. How many? Hold on. How many we need then? Okay, let's see. Okay, we need 4k, right? 4k by 18 minutes. 4k, then we are on. Let's do a 415. 20 minutes for 415. Let's see if I can get that together. All right. We definitely need 6 racings. Doesn't matter where. Soup, 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 soup. No. Okay, we have loading time here as well. I'm always forgetting that, and that makes it actually that single player is lesser actually getting you XPs because of loading time at the same time when you're doing online mode. Got it. So that was a 1.5 minute. Hold on, get me calculator, please. 2 of them. Nope. So, the programs there. Reached actually our 469. Right. And we reached actually 1.5. So I'm forgetting, if you're racing or idling in the online mode, it's not counting. The idle mode is not counting for the time you spend in the online gaming. So it's not about actually having in 20 minutes done these 3K or 4K. It's only actually the time is counting when you're making points in the challenges. You can make points as well without challenges, but there's no counting. That was actually 3 laps that you did. Alright, another one. You again. Tired. No, don't you? Next beetle.頑張ります。That's a bit further. So 3 minutes and 15 seconds. So 1/6. I think I get 6 times more XPs in here as I did with the BMW and the West Coast Arena or area. Was it Arena or area? Let's see. Do some dripping in there. That's LA block. Yeah. And that is... where's it? West Coast Arena. Why is it area all the time? Oh my gosh, it's Arena. Oh, my mistake. For the furnace, let's try Atron. Because it calls Astron for me. You're not making points, you're not making XPs. And it's a lousy track. Twist and homies. Corny magic pants. What the hell does that mean? I hate Grinch, because actually my earplugs just went in all the times. Yeah. There's your magic pants. So I don't need to go to the toilet. It's absorb actually my soiling and yeah, more than can say. What the hell, dude? Tschüss abgefahren, das war ein bisschen Salut, was soll ich next stream on the 69-minute live stream of CarX Part3 on this number 286 on Defnation CB account. These are part 286, right? This is for DjVolgin and Defnation together. I saw the playlist is calling like that, the CarX actually, DjVolgin and Defnation CB on DRO. That's crippled that Atron. We reached 1,321 XP. We call it this 1.15, right? 17 days. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Time oder ist das? Ja, das ist natürlich auch richtig. Das wären jetzt 4 Minuten, 4 minutes and 25. 4 minutes and 25, we reached already 1,321 XP. Oh. I say we fucked up, the cracking up Atron 21k. Oh, next time another calculator actually for the points I just made. hold on, I may just can do. Hold on a sec. Another calculator. There we go. So that was a... hold on, I can watch now. That was a 21.94 something. 21.9.45 or something. And the other one we drove was Red Rock by 39.93. 30 plus, and the first one was Nürburgring. Oh, the second one 36 611. So already on 90, so close to 90,000 points for 1.3k on XP in 4 minutes and 25. Okay. Like these calculating shit. Nice daters. Where are we going? Oh no. Oh yes. Oh, we'll be cracked up now. So we have 18 minutes time. And then let's see the result. If I can reach actually the, what was that, 4K? Okay. I think it's easy to do. But the time is the same, but waiting. But the online mode is having loading time. The loading time here in the single player, I'm just drinking and just talking to myself. Get a call. Telefon. Ja. Ja, guten Morgen. Ja, das trifft sich überhaupt nicht gut. Und das, ja, weil ich gerade mittendrin eigentlich in allem Möglichen bin. Ach, das ist... Oh, ich dachte 13 Uhr, aber auf das habe ich mich eingekriegt. Schildwitzried, okay. Hm. Ach so, aber was hast du Schildwitzried gemeint? Achso, ach nein, da was falsch dran. Okay, ja. Es hat mit doch nichts zu tun, das ist dieser Online-Modus einfach, was schon. Und jetzt habe ich zwei Calculators an und da model ich jetzt gerade alles mögliche. Okay, scheiße, ne. Ja, wann sehen wir uns dann das nächste Mal, so gesehen? Der hat aber gar nichts für die mehr, oder wie? Vom Lager aus, oder von? Ja, bist du beim Hans dann fertig, oder wie ist das? So, ja, du bist ja noch im Hof dann, oder? Also wie lange warst du noch im Hof? In 20 Minuten dann? Eine halbe Stunde, oder wie? Ah, schau her. Ja dann sehen wir uns sowieso. Da sagen wir 12 einfach dann, weil dann passt eh. Ja, wenn wir sowieso hinten auffüllen. Sag schon. Ja, dann passt schon eher. Alles gut. Bis nachher. Fertig. Also ja. Alright, guys. Because my construction work friend there just called me and he's saying actually he's done. He's happy to get out actually of his construction area. Oh crap. My eyes so bad, or it's just picture mode here. Alright. So in a 1.5 hour I'm just gone. In a 1.5 hour we already get these prototype testing here done anyway. He was saying in 20 minutes he is in a compound. Then he's going up there to actually the boss itself to do something for 1.5 hours. So in 1.5 hours I'm leaving the live stream, refilling actually the woodcut, yeah, actually, woodcut facility. Alright. Let's get done actually in an hour these what I just pray for. That in 18 minutes we can we do 3K or 4K? And I'm reaching 5K. Okay, so I have an hour actually time now. Normally he was saying 13 o'clock, but then I was saying actually close to 12 o'clock we're meeting up then. So now left then. Guten Morgen. Schauen wir auf die Uhr. Wäre schon wieder Nacht. Ja, herrlich. Some the music pump it up. Tamponade, handkerchief. Okay. Brain soup. Tequila. Entschuldigung, jetzt muss ich da mal schnell draufdrücken. Was hast du getan? Ce s-a apucat în șovi, salut, că prost de cine exprim. Oh, was ist das? 86, ne? Was war das nochmal? 4KXP. Was hatten wir dann? Wie viele Punkte hatte ich da am Ende? 288 ungefähr. Okay, diese 288.000, die kriege ich nicht zusammen. Na, das kriege ich nicht zusammen. Aber schauen wir mal. Tomorrow in the morning, Dosen and Siggies on Rewe. And on Wednesday, the two dentist doctor. Sure.
URL.
Some music?
Some MUI.
Da da da. That's what I'm listening for right now, looping until an hour. Alright. Cheers up again. Goodbye. Naturally, salut, close to the next game. About that. Dr. Calculator. Dr. Calculator's coming. 115 again. Was 15. 380 XP. 24. Already 114. So a 200k we get, definitely. Next one. So we got already a 1.7k. So actually twice that one. And we're reaching then 12 minutes. So I can beat it, definitely. And maybe we got a 280 already then. Coins. Alright. Aiming for a top star. Here we go. Top star. Nighttime. Just driving all the time, the daylight stuff. Do not ask. That's where I get actually my heart attack or maybe a girlfriend. 22, ich weiß nicht, hier steht gar nichts. BMS-Kalender. Alright. 頑張ります。My homeboy. Time is coming, kicking in. 2 minutes. So, 2. 2.0. And we got XP by 538. And we got a point of 49. Alright. Less than a minute. More points. So already the next drift race is actually already getting done, everything else. But I've been 2 drift race and already getting done. But under 10 minutes instead of 18 minutes to reach the 3K. But we aiming for 4K because I'm drinking with that sulfonate and stuff, you know. So definitely on the single player I get more points as on the online mode, definitely. And it makes more fun because you can change actually the you know, the streets, the roads, the drift places, or what it called. I'm not sure, mate. Night vehicle time. To 3 times or 4 times actually daylight, so you need to stay on nighttime a bit to make it fair. We're right now by 88 minutes. Stupid digit. H8, right? Harlem Hood. Yeah. Gambarimashou. Oh, pitch black night. Shimmering in. So the reflection of outside light. Time of 1.5 minutes. Point division by 424 and 42.1. There you go. So we're on 9 minutes. So we're on 9 minutes here right now and 5 seconds. On 2.6k on XP already and the 206,000 points. Yeah, okay, single player has the other good part. You can do whatever you want nearby. So definitely single player makes more points and XPs in the same time that you should use before actually in the multiplayer online racing. Definitely. Yeah. This is already proved. I think I'm coming on 12 or 14 minutes to reach the 4K. Let's do another ones. Of course, always the same car, that to make it fair. Oh, that's not fair. But we're driving it. That's daylight again. Because I'm driving nighttime, the sun went in and shimmering in and reflect on the plasma TV. You can see it on the skeleton how bright it is. In nighttime there's actually normal. You can see every rip, you can see Nitro the Bat down below in his stomach. Shiny coat. So actually he comes now into the compound now. Yeah, somehow. So 12 o'clock I need to go and leave in. It's 11:06 now. 頑張ります。What's the Formula 1 line? Calculator 225 right 11 minutes and 25 seconds. Your point 712 your P4 comma please 764 with 91, so okay. We already beat actually the, what was it again before? I wrote them down. A 288k. I beat it already by 291 in 11 minutes. And beat it actually by, yeah, I just wrote down 4k, but we have 3.3 right now. It's gonna be close to get 4k. 50 minutes. But the XP points are massive more. So there's only one left and we're beating actually the 4k. Let's see. Okay, there goes the XP, that is actually starving. Oh, here we go. Mandela Park. There's our next. I had this dumb feeling again in my stomach again. In the shit. Actually, it was not 18 minutes. I think it was 19 minutes, right? Can it be? Because yesterday I was by 49 minutes. No, 43 minutes. 43 minutes. I can remember exactly. And so it was actually 18 or 19 minutes. No, 18 minutes actually it was. I'm going to the toilet. So definitely he is actually right now in the compound. Oh gosh. Irgendwas stopft hier, Alter. It's just the dough something and I'm sitting and talking and trying extra shit. Can't. Something and I think it's the piece of dough. Kühlend und beruhigende Pflege nach dem Sonnenbad. Spendend intensive Feuchtigkeit wirkt einer Austrocknen der Haut entgegen und hilft der Haut sich zu erholen. Naja. Formel mit Bio-Aloe Vera und wertvollen Hyaluron. What? Hyaluron. Hyaluron. What the fuck is that again? Die leichte, nicht klebende und nicht fettende Textur zieht schnell ein und hinterlässt ein seidig weiches Hautgefühl. Ja, gell? Hautverträglichkeit dermatologisch nicht getestet. Schmarrn. Bestätigt natürlich. Was? Dass es nicht hautverträglich ist. Das ist bestätigt worden. Wichtige Anwendungsweise. Nach dem Sonnenbaden großzügig auf die Haut auftragen. Ich tue ja gar nicht Sonnenbaden. Wiederholen Sie die Anwendung nach Bedarf. Also jede 5 Minuten oder wie bei Haut doch austrocknet und Aquaglycerin, Alkohol, den Nat, irgendwas, Punkt hat er da hingeschrieben. Dieser Propylin, Ether-Glycerin, Sterilitat, SE, Isopropylin, Palmitate. Palmitate. Are you really reading that like that? Is it a real alcohol? Aloe? Was Aloe? Barbadensis leaf juice powder? Hold on. Aloe barbadensis leaf juice powder? What the hell? Sodium hyaluronate? 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 If you're just mixing English and German together when it is actually Latin or something, that's correct. Dimethyl Carbumer. Sodium cetriol sulfate. Sodium hydroxide. Ethylhexylglycerin. What is that? Oh my gosh. Ethylhexylglycerin. Oh my. What the hell is that? Phenoxyethanol. Linalol. 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 The 2O in there. Citral and parfum. Made in Hamburg, but actually in Wien in Austria. Deppendorf. Nivea logo reglementation of Bayersdorf AG, Germany. So Nivea is German? Oh my god. Feels like actually they made it in a Vatican or something up. These weirdo. Ingredients. Whew. But something is, I think that's the dough mixed up with beer and onion. Sometimes it's like whoop, 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 and then nothing comes, like stocks. It almost actually move, but water is running out. I think I have actually a, what's that calling then? Some worm, you know. A dope worm. A dope worm. Pricka came on the house. Oh god. And running. Piracell. Piduracell. Piduracell. That makes us crazy, man. Sulfat. I lost actually the string. Nobody watched, right? Oh god, thanks. The microphone was on.
Microphone on.
So we are actually on 11 minutes and kind of 25 seconds. 291,000 points by 3.375 XP. This should be actually the last one, and we're beating the 4K in under 18 minutes. As we did done actually before on DRO. So yes, it's beatable actually. These 18 minutes, I was actually in there more than a half hour, to be fair. So it makes no difference actually if you're driving online or single player. Sometimes when you're driving non-stop in single player, you can gain more points, more XPs, and changing tracks as well in cars. If you're in online mode, you can't change your car. You can actually change tracks, of course, but then you have to start up again the multiplayer. The only good thing is the last 43 minutes, I just yesterday, but I said the last 20 minutes, I ran over by, if you're reaching 1 million on, especially you're doing these kind of, what is that? Drift zone and drift boxing, you know, this stuff, you know, AB and stuff, mixing together. And if you're just actually doing this up, man, I can't remember the name. I'm sorry for that one. It's a Chinese language. If you're reaching kind of 1 million, but the side control is gone, that means you can go over it and you're reaching all the times the green spots, the green points, and the hitbox is always there. And so that's why I was reaching yesterday a kind of a 2.8 or 2.5 million points yesterday by 19k on XP. That is the extra plus if you go online. You need to reach 1 million and dealing down this clipping points, and then you can reach 60k actually on the clipping point instead of 10 or 20k. So the last 20-50 minutes yesterday, it was easy. I reached actually more than 50k or something sometimes instead of 20k, and you get a lot of XPs, of course, of this. This is the only extra plus if you stay online mode only. Wow, the sun came in here hardcore. The worst is the Mondello Park, the track itself, the tarmac is so dark that you don't see actually where you're driving at. It's like you're driving nighttime. If you drive in nighttime, Mondello Park, hard respect. If you can do actually a one lap without a crash or without going into the greens or something, respect. Stupid sun. Sorry, I have only 1 centimeter of cigarette right now and I can't risk this shit. Oh crap. What the hell, why? Why's that better than the other one? Oh, weird. Oh, still clutching in here in the room. Taking some actions. The banana core. Yeah, that's much better. Oh yeah. Okay. Another sip. Or sip, better say. I always say sip. Über 107 minutes right now. Cheers auf Kampagne Schweiz Salute, next stream. Gambarimasu. Controller says already good night. Ejay using another livestream with the Prepare. Use the calculator. Get to 640 right now, get me in. You reached the 4K. Okay. Minutes please. 215. Plus 2.15 actually. And your amount of DP points 40.638. Wow. Okay, we're done. The live stream is over now. I give you that information over the commentaries. You're done. Okay. So we're starting over the XPs, right? 4K XP. In was it that then? 3,5 so 13,5 Minuten. Hold on, is just even done with this? No, hold on, I'm about to actually use 18. 18. We'll buy 131. 861. Alright.
DRO 4K XP 18 min and 30 sec 33186 DP points.
So online. So for just 13 Minuten. Just eigentlich dasselbe fast. fast.
Single player 4015XB1325 min 331861 DP points. $288K points. It was on DRO, sorry. So single player 1. $4KXB Visas DRO and single player. $5 min and 50 KDP better on single player on the same time real life. Single player 1.
Making a picture. Alright. There is the picture. Copy. Speichern unter. CarX DRO versus single player. Alright. Thank you very much. Tame that down actually on paint mode. Oh, where I hit it first. Twice on paint. Oops. Can we, you know, get this in Russian here again? No problem, hold on. Get me actually this one. Just type in actually DRO. Hold on, just make it a little smaller. Okay, set done. DRO. P31. That was 4K XP on 18 min. By 288 KDR points. Versus CarX single player. What's that Austin Martin called off? Sterling. By 4K XP. Was that and 301K with points. was kind of... Yeah, actually the same. Only 2 men. Somehow this one, you know. Can we actually refill that one in here? Yeah, from white to something else. Black? No, not working. Here we go, orange. No. This color? Nope, that works. That gay color? Oh my god, works very well. Gay color? Just doing black, you know, you don't see the other one. Oh, okay. The green one? Oh, pretty diving how it works. Oh, this is working anyway. No. That makes it worse. Shoot, mate. But this is perfect. There we go. Nice one. Alright. Saving. JPack. Desktop. There we go. This is a set. Yes. Alright. Done for today. Thank you very much for a little watching in here. I'm sending over the community actually the result. What I just did actually today. I'm coming back in 4 hours. Or 3 hours. And we continue actually with the DjVolgin account. Not actually Nation CB account. What we got in here. I'll be very close actually. You're getting actually level 22. So that's cool. Yep. Need to go actually to the compound.
Thanks for watching.
Refilling the woodcut facility. Alright, there's something to write off. 8, 7, that was a 14 minutes, 4K, and 331K. Okay, 1. Send you that picture, I can hopefully upload. There was an idea before actually on myself what we want to do. And now the game is calling Nobody Saves the World. Hey, I'm playing CarX, but the CarX DRO 2017 is actually not there and on YouTube, and so I'm so pissed off right now. I will actually upload that on Facebook as well, because as always, if you upload a picture in here, you only can see the halfway, and you know, I don't know why this YouTube is just making this up. There we go. Vorschau bearbeiten. Posting. Okay, here we go. Yeah, barely actually see everything in here. That's fine as. But I will upload it on YouTube as well. So I actually upload something on the community. Have fun with it. So I'm out of here. Thank you very much for watching a little while. Have a nice time. Catch you later than 4 hours or 3.5 hours. Let's just see. I'll let you know. dragging the picture. There's the picture. So I'm posting it, and actually that's the point why I'm doing it at the Facebook. Share it. The share button. So there's the sharing, VTime, Messenger, just go on it. Just send it in here. And share it actually in here.
URL. Here are the end score of multiplayer versus single player.
Should really dial that one. Das macht er schon wieder. Ja, fürchterlich. Wirklich fürchterlich. So down below in the description actually you see everything else what you want to see, and actually also Nobody Saved the World Gamesave on the PlayStation 4. I know that games right now calling actually Nobody Saved the World, but we are in CarX, and you know we are in CarX, right? Right, I'm going to toilet and I'm leaving then for a couple of hours, and then we're coming back, and there's actually a CarX P2, not P3, with actually DjVolgin instead of DevNation CB on running on YouTube, live stream of course. So thank you very much for watching again. Everything information you need down below the description right now. Thanks, I'm so good in technology right now, I don't know what I have to do. And no, we are not on Nobody Saved the World. We are actually in CarX Drift Racing Online from 2017 YouTube. Can you handle that? Huh? Are you? Thank you very much. Arigato. Mata mata.